The long winder grip for Beyblade X comes in 4 total variants: the Dragon, the Ring, and they both come in either horizontal or vertical. Every variant attaches the same way. This extension fits in the back of the hold launcher winder, and these holes fit on the side pieces of the winder. The grip is made out of a flexible TPU material, so don't worry about bending or flexing during installation. For installation, bend one side of the grip out of the way. Insert the first side of the grip onto the side of the winder. That will align the extended piece into the back of the winder. Insert that firmly, and that will line up the other side of the grip. Your long winder grip is now installed. This is the same process for any variant of the long winder grip. For the vertical models, make sure you turn the grip to the correct orientation before installation. With any other questions, email support@noozle3d.com.